Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, hey, my name is Keisha and this is a space where style has no expiration date. And today we are diving into something I get asked about all the time, and that is what to wear for a concert or festival for the 40 and ups. Just kidding, I've never been asked that, but if I was asked, these are the items that I would recommend and personally I would wear myself. So we are going to dive into 5 different outfits that you can wear for your outdoor or indoor festival that is going to be cool, comfortable, and cute. And if that is your vibe, you know what we want you to do. We definitely want you to subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into this very first look. Okay, outfit number 1 is what I call a statement maker. I'm wearing this buttery soft jumpsuit with the back out, and I know what you're thinking, with the back out, yes, this jumpsuit is going to give you the coverage and the structure of the pants, so it's not going to focus so much on the backless part of it. It's still going to read sophistication. And if you're not too comfortable with the back being out, in my last video we talked about 3 tops that I believe that are capsule pieces are part of your wardrobe, and a sheer top will definitely come in handy with this, because not only will it not take away from the outfit, but it gives you that coverage that you need to still make you feel comfortable. You're still giving that 3 C's, the cool, comfortable, and cute. No one wants to be out and be feeling uncomfortable in their outfit, so if this is a little bit too much exposed for you on the back, I definitely would recommend a sheer blouse over top. Now, as far as the bottoms go, I am wearing these boy shorts. Now, they're not thongs, you know, they're not like a little G-string or anything like that, so it's still giving sophistication with the boy shorts. If you want to go ahead and go a little longer with the biking shorts or some type of shapewear that comes a little bit longer, that also will work as well. It's not taken away from the outfit. One thing about this outfit is that the lace is so soft, it moves so beautifully. You don't have to worry about it shifting, you moving, you adjusting anything. It's going to be perfect when you're dancing. It's just going to, you know, with the lace, be able to still give you that breeze, still keep you cool. So this one I would definitely recommend. Now for the shoes, I just went with a little kitten. You can still go with like a sandal, but I think you would have to dress it up a bit. You don't want to dress this down too much, and I think the kitten just gives it enough of an exposure and texture that it still plays into the concert feel. They're comfortable, they're cute, and they still give comfort, because you know the kitten is, she's small, honey. She not doing too much. It's almost pretty much like a wedge or a sandal at this point, and these were an amazing, great investment. If you're still thinking about these, I would definitely add to the wardrobe, or if you have something quite similar, these kittens go a long way, even with just wearing it with jeans or like some jorts and things like that. Kitten thongs, they go a long way. If you have not already, I would definitely add these to the wardrobe, because I believe that this style will be here to stay. Again, these are comfortable to walk in, but you do have to be aware of your terrain. If this is going to be something that is outside on the lawn, I would definitely stay away from a kitten, because who wants to be having their heel, you know, all in the dirt and on the lawn and things like that, and have to worry about that. If that was the case, I will go for more of a platform type shoe or wedge. That is my recommendations for look number 1. All right, outfit number 2, and this is more for my bold girlies, because this number right here is completely sheer. Now, even though I styled it with a bralette, and I'm still going with the boy shorts, we're still not giving thong or G-string or anything like that. We're still playing up the sophistication with the shorts, and also at your leisure, it can be whatever length you choose. I am more of a mid-thigh. I'm comfortable with that. By going more to the knee, it gives this a completely different look and a completely different silhouette, and that's not what we're going for. You don't want to have something that is going to be longer than the dress itself, because now we're giving more shirt vibes. And if that is more of your style, that works too. But for this occasion right here, you know, we talking about concert, shirt and festival ready. Like, we kind of want to play up the little bit of the sex appeal here, so we don't want to have this reading as shirt. For this look here, I have 3 different options when it comes to shoes, and again, it all depends on the terrain that this festival may be held at. Option number 1 is with the black sandals. Now, it's still giving sleek, minimal vibes, but it's going to give more relaxed with the type of shoe that we're wearing with this one. The shoes, it definitely has the dress more of the focal point, and the dress is doing more of the talking. Option number B, we went with the kittens again, and it's giving a little bit more luxe, a little bit more stylish, like I know what I'm doing, and it's playing up a little bit more than option A, right? But option C, I think for me is my favorite, and we're gonna go with the shark boots. You're walking through the grass and the dirt and you're outside, these will work perfectly. This one right here is just giving more style. It's speaking to me. It's giving more of that moto energy type feel, which I like, and also is very appropriate for concerts, and I think it's just the vibe. Now, a little pro tip here, my girlies over 40, the thing about wearing sheer is that it's definitely a choice. We know what we're doing. We know how to style this intentionally, and to make it also continue to feel luxury. Like, we're just not, again, showing so much that it's just giving more, what word do I want to use? It's just not, it's giving less looks that we want to give. Like, this seems intentional, still seems luxury and a good time. We're still giving off that cool, comfortable, cute vibes, and I'm liking them all. These 3 options for the shoes, let me know which one that you think you would like with this outfit. Which one would you wear with this look right here? So let's go ahead and get into look number 3. Outfit number 3 is what I call the fashion festival girly. Now, we are giving print here. Now, we're starting with a green Gucci print. And I know it's bold, there's a statement, but I think how we styled it, it tones it down a bit. Print with the mesh top and the black boots, it gives more of a balance. On top, I'm wearing this black mesh shirt. Now, mesh can go wrong very quick, but if you pair it with like a high waist short, this balances out everything. And when you add like a bralette or a cami underneath, gives it more of that editorial look, and it doesn't come off like, you know, like you don't know what you're doing. So I chose to pair this with the black boots, and with the height of the boots, it gives it more of a balance with the high waist of the shorts, and also with the black mesh top and with the boot, it gives it more of a balance to where even though like the boot, even though that the short has print, it also stands out, but it's not giving too much because the black definitely tones it down. My styling tip is if you're wearing a bold print on the bottom, you want to keep the top solid and simple in texture. We love texture. Like I said, we have the mesh at the top, we have a little texture, especially with the design of the shorts, and then we have that the leather of the boot at the bottom. So this too is a very cute festival look. I would definitely just throw on a crossbody bag and just call it a day. Easy peasy. Okay, outfit number 4 is for my girlies that are a little bit, I don't want to say risque, but don't mind putting on a little bit of a short. Yeah, I'm gonna say that don't mind putting on a little short, because this look right here is a little bit different for me, but I would rock this for a concert for sure, because one thing about it is concert festivals and Halloween, child, you can kind of get away with having an alter ego, you know what I mean? So this look right here, we're doing denim shorts. Now, these are some short denim shorts, and they can feel a little bit intimidating, but how we styled it here, I have on an oversized graphic shirt, and I just went ahead and made this into a muscle tee. Didn't have to cut anything. Shout out to Sida Silva, who showed us this hack many moons ago about just going ahead and tucking in that sleeve underneath the bra strap to go ahead and make it into a muscle tee. breeze. So that is exactly what we did. I just went ahead and just tucked in the front part just a little bit, and I left the back obviously out because yeah, I'm not that comfortable with just having like the back tucked in, but this just gives to the vibe anyway. This is the look that we're going for. We want it out in the back. We want it out in the back and just have it tucked in the front. On the back, it probably looks like we don't have any shorts on, but that's okay. That's okay if we're giving a little bit of naked illusion, but we know what's really going on. Now, for the star of the show are the boots, child. Again, a boot in the summertime, especially with a short, chef kiss, I love. For me, I'm okay with a boot in the summer. It doesn't even matter how hot it is for me. I feel as if you are dressed appropriately. I mean, obviously, we're not wearing jeans with a boot. Having these little short shorts on, I mean, child, you have all the breeze you need. Even if, you know, the ankles and the toes may be a little bit hot, you know, it works everything out. The drama is in the boot, and then just with that little scrunch down, you have on a crossbody, you put on you a shade, and if this ain't concert ready, I don't know what else is. I don't know what else is. This is definitely give me more like a outdoor festival type vibe. And again, these are a short heel, a kitten heel. Again, depending on your terrain, you may want to go ahead and switch out this. Maybe even with like a, what would I just like the, you know, the boot with the short. I think I would probably sacrifice the terrain with these boots on. I'm just saying, because the other type of shoe is just not going to give the same with this outfit. So yeah, I'm feeling this look right here. All right, we are to our fifth and final outfit, and I'm calling this one right here the boho goddess. This is giving, I'm wearing a white lace dress. Isn't your typical festival crochet. This is structured lace, and if you're comfortable, you can wear, you know, maybe a slip underneath it. Again, I just went ahead and put a bralette and some boy shorts. I would probably even wear like a cute type, you know, like swimsuit. You know, you have your swimsuit, the high shorts, the high waist shorts of the swimsuits and the bralette, especially if you have a certain type of color that you want to bring out in this. I think that will be super cool. And this too, it just keeps you cool and comfortable. I love the fact just kind of like wearing the scarf with it, because child, when it comes to those concerts and everything like that, who got time for hair days? I mean, it's sweaty as ever. This just still keep you cute. You know, you just put a little curls on the outside, tie it on up, and it's just one thing that you just have to worry less about. I paired these with some dad sandals. Again, perfect for any terrain. And I love dad sandals because, again, you don't have to worry about any grip toe action. I talked about this on previous videos about dad sandals. You just freely can walk. Again, you have that little Velcro on the back, so it's just giving easy breezy. You don't have to worry about anything. Look right here is perfect for, you know, daytime festivals, outdoor concerts, any, you know, type of outdoor type of show. All right, so those are my 5 concert festival looks for the women that are over 40 that are going to keep you cool, comfortable, and cute. The goal isn't to dress younger. The goal is to dress for you with confidence and intention and a little bit of fun, right? Now, I do have links that will be below for the same or similar options that I was able to find. And if you stay to the end, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. We have fashion videos. We try to come around here every single week, but if you stay to the end, thank you so very much. I appreciate your time. And always remember, fashion has no expiration date, and wear what's in your closet, girl, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.